Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Hope everyone's having a great and wonderful day, and happy Halloween. This video is going to be all about Halloween, and we're going to light a bunch of fireworks off, ranging from 200 grams, some actually good 200 grams. I think some buddies are going to bring up for me. I'm not sure if those are going to be included or not. I won't know until the beginning of the video. But yeah, I hope everyone enjoys, and we're going to see some good cakes such as Evil. We got that super cool pumpkin fountain that I showed you guys earlier in the year if you watched my stash video. So we're going to light all those cool fireworks off and hope everyone enjoys. Okay, one of my friends of mine is going to help me light a few of these off. So I think we're going to start with this guy and then maybe work our way around like this. And then end with the super pumpkin. Again, I hope the audio sounds okay. I did forget my mic, so please forgive me on that. But yeah, let's start with this little color pearl. Okay, here goes this first one. Little color pearl. Okay, well that was not a color pearl. It was like a little Saturn missile, I guess. Alright, well there's what I thought was a Saturn missile. Sorry for the miscommunication. I always forget those do that. Those are the like buy 5, get 1 free, or buy 1, get 4 free, or whatever. I'm actually gonna light this little guy. I missed that one a little bit. Light one more. Okay, I'm actually gonna light the Sassy cat. It does kind of have Halloween because I feel like a lot of people dress up as little cats, but let's go light this one off. I had to get a little bit bigger. One of my favorite little fountains for the price, honestly. Such a good deal. Still going. Ooh, nice little fountain. Lasted like a minute. All right, there goes Sassy Cat. We're gonna light this little cool. It almost reminds me of like a weird candy or something you'd see on Halloween. Okay, here goes the little frog by World Class. I think these always have a lot of crackle. Oh, well, I thought I'd do a little more than that. We'll light the next one off. Okay, we're gonna light this next one. Same exact thing, I think. Maybe it'd be slightly better. I don't know. Maybe slightly different colors. We'll see. Nope, did the same thing. I'm going to sandwich this in between some bricks just because, you know, these are known to tip over. Again, I got this for $1.99 at the Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri, back probably just 2 years ago, honestly. It's just crazy how prices have changed. But anyway, got a little skeleton or skull here. Then we're going to light the pumpkin one next. So we got this 9-shot little cake. And yeah, let's see what this does. really nice breaks, almost like some willows. I don't remember Evil being that good. That was actually really solid for those little 200 grams they market. I do not know what this is going to do. It seems like it's going to be a fountain. It was $20 at a tent that usually has pretty reasonable fireworks. So I'm either expecting it to be really good or really bad. Honestly, I don't know. It might just be expensive because it's a pumpkin and it looks super cool. But here we go. That was a great little fountain. I'd actually put that up there with any fountain on the market. That was solid. Honestly, the price range was exactly where I thought it'd be. You know, $18.49. That's honestly typical for a fountain that good. But yeah, guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great and fun Halloween, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching, everyone.